Assalamu Alaikum everyone, this is me Hafsa Tahir, and in this video I will tell you happy and bright hijab poses. So without wasting time, let's start this video. First of all, welcome to my YouTube channel and subscribe this channel for getting notifications of more videos. So let's start. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then press the first thumb and like this video. Your likes and comments appreciate us, support us and motivate us to do better in next video. So Allah Hafiz.